How to insert YouTube videos in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, today I'm going to show you how you can easily insert YouTube videos in your PowerPoint presentation. So, let's dive right in. First things first, open up Google Chrome browser and then go to a YouTube video that you want to insert. Now, you will see the share icon. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you can see the embed option. So you can even choose when to start from, or you can choose if you want to choose the whole video, just go to insert, embed, and then hit copy. Now the link will be copied to your clipboard. Now you need to open up your PowerPoint presentation, and then on the ribbon bar you'll find insert, tap on it, and then on the right hand side go to video, and here tap on online videos, and here pop-up will come up, and then you can see enter the address for the online video. You just have to tap on the address bar and then put in the embed code. So just put it there and then hit insert. And that's it. The YouTube video will be inserted on your Microsoft PowerPoint like this. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.